Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the Makibes BR3. As you can see, we have the box in front of us. We have the we can see the Makibes BR3 through the box, and we know a couple of things about this smartwatch. As you can see, the box is very simple. We have the Makibes logo, and we can see down here power sport smartwatch. We have water resistant full color screen. We have the GPS logo in the back because the Makibes BR3 has a built-in GPS. We have other options in the Makibes as well. We have 17 multi-sport mode, which is makes the Makibes BR3 one of the best smartwatches for sports, but we will see that in a few seconds. Let's pop this up. As you can see, we have the Makibes here. We can see his shape. Let's see what we have underneath this box. Let's pull this out. As you can see, underneath we have the cable for the Makibes BR3 to charge, and we have the head of the charger that goes underneath the watch. This is very simple. We have also the user manual, as you can see, in 5 different languages. We have all kinds of information here in case you want to learn something about the Makibes BR3. So the Makibes BR3 has rubber bands, 1.3-inch screen, colorful screen, touch screen. With these bands are very flexible and very good for your hands. As you can see, we have 3 buttons, 2 on the left side, 1 on the right side, and the back we have the charging point, we have the sensor, and we have the Makibes logo. You can see the Makibes is made from some kinds of metal, so it stands very good in your hand. Let's power it on and see what we got more from this smartwatch. As you can see, it power on immediately. We have the power button, as I said, in the right side, and 2 buttons up and down for in the left side. As you can see, we have the percentage of battery, we have time, date, burn calories, steps, and stand-up time. Down we have the power saving mode, which turns off the smartwatch. As you can see, it's turning off, so in this way you can save some power. And next we have the torch or flashlight. We have the do not disturb as well here in these shortcuts. In the left, as I said, we have all the sports, starting from run, cycle, fast walk, climbing, badminton, basketball, table tennis, soccer, volleyball, sit-up, rope, jumping, yoga, dancing, aerobic, ice skating, swimming, and we have tennis. So the Makibes BR3 is one of the best smartwatches for sport. Up we have the statistic for steps, we have statistic for stand-up, and the energy or burn calories. In the right we have the health caring, heart rate, and fatigue. In the menu, as you can see, we have message, event, stopwatch, timer, compass, and we have settings in the end. So as you can see, we have quite a few options to test in the Makibes BR3, which is a very good thing. Also, Makibes BR3, not to forget to mention, supports all kinds of languages, multi-language, so you can change the language. It depends which one you use. Let's try the heart rate option here, see how it will read our heart rate. As you can see, just a few seconds it takes for the Makibes BR3 to measure your heart rate. And the fatigue option, it takes a little bit, so I fasted the video, and then we will see some result about the fatigue option. As you can see, it's almost done, and now we have some result. This in the real time takes a little bit too long, but we have some measurements, and we saw the sports, we saw the menu. Here is the compass. You can use this in the wild. If you go, for example, for running or hiking, you can use the compass and the GPS as well. What else we can test here? We can test here the running method. You can see the GPS blinking. We have the time. We have seconds going. You can see the seconds, blood pressure measurements, distance. We have burn calories, steps. We have kilometer. We have pace, all kinds of stuff. But the Makibes BR3, as you can see, keeps pushing me out of these options. I don't know why, but this is first a little bit frustrating. So this is the Makibes BR3 and their option. I hope this video was interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next in another video with another smartwatch.